Good morning, boys. How are you? This is Mr. Adil Rabia. Today we have a new English lesson for grade 6 from Oxford Thinker Class Book 6. Please open your book, page 111, and get ready. Okay. So, today's lesson is Lesson 6. Okay, are you ready? Now, before we start, let's read this part. Number 1. Think, pair, share. How many ocean animals do you know? What's their habitat like? سؤال كده ولاد في البداية بنحب ننشط الذاكرة. It's brainstorming. How many ocean animals do you know? What's their habitat like? Do you know any animals from the ocean? Yes, good. We know whales, excellent. Octopuses, yes, and squids, fantastic. So we know some animals. What's their habitat like? Habitat means المكان اللي بيسكنوا فيه. Yes, good. It's water. It's the ocean. They live in the ocean. Good. Number 2. Here, listen and read. Listen and read. We are going to listen to today's lesson, then we are going to answer some questions. Listen carefully and get ready.
Listening 148. Listen and read.
Deep ocean exploration. Did you know that more people have visited the moon than have been to the bottom of the ocean? Let's go on a journey. We'll need a submarine. The first zone you pass is the sunlit zone. Here you find plants that need sunlight and animals that eat plants. There are sharks, dolphins, turtles, and coral. You might even see a scuba diver. Most ocean life is found in this zone. The sunlit zone goes down to 200 meters below the surface. If you pass 200 meters, you enter the twilight zone. There is very little light and the water looks dark blue. Now, there are no plants, but still plenty of animals. Expect to see whales, octopuses, and some stranger fish. Some of them are bioluminescent, which means they make their own light. They glow. 1,000 to 6,000 meters is the midnight zone. There are no plants in this zone, but some types of squid, whale, and octopus can dive down this far. This zone is difficult to live in. It's cold and dark. Because of the lack of light, many fish here are either blind or have very big eyes. Most of the ocean floor is in the midnight zone. The deepest part of the ocean is the trench zone. It's very cold and completely dark. Not many animals can live down here. At the deepest point, the ocean is almost 11,000 meters deep. That's approximately 105 football pitches, and much deeper than Mount Everest is high. The oceans cover 70% of the Earth's surface, but only 3 people have ever been to the bottom.
Well, now we have finished listening. Now let's explain this text. We learned from the text that we have how many zones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zones. Okay. What are they? Good. We have number 1. Yes, good. It's a sunlit zone. Sunlit zone. Number 2. What is it? Excellent. This is number 2. It's a twilight zone. Okay. What's number 3? Excellent. It's a midnight zone. It's midnight zone. Okay. And what's number 4? Excellent. This is called trench zone. Trench zone. So we have 4 zones with different characteristics. Okay, each zone has specific features, and we learned these features from the text. So now let's go to the question and understand how can we answer them. Okay, let's move. Number 1. Most, read again and say true or false. Most ocean plants and animals live near the surface. They live near the surface. قريب من السطح. True or false؟ نتذكر كده مع بعض. Most ocean animals live near the surface. قريبة من السطح. True or false؟ صح ولا خطأ؟ Yes, good. You are smart. It's true. Most ocean plants and animals live near the surface. Number 2. You might see whales and scuba divers in the twilight zone. True or false? You might see whales and scuba divers. نشوف كده أولاد الويلز والسكوبا divers in the twilight zone. Is it true or false? Good. You are smart. It's false. Okay, they don't live in this zone. Okay. Some whales can live in the midnight zone. Midnight zone. True or false? Whales. Whales live in the midnight. فاكرينها? Okay. Let's go back to the text and find the answer. حاول كده تقرأ النص مرة تانية تحاول تطلعها. Some whales can live in the midnight zone. True or false? Good. You are smart. It's true again. Nothing, number 4. Nothing lives in the trench zone. Nothing. Nothing يعني لا شيء. Nothing lives in the trench zone. Is it right? Go back to the text again. True or false? Good. It's false. Number 5 and the last one. The deepest part of the ocean is around 11,000 meters deep. deep يعني عميق. أعمق جزء في المحيط. 11,000 meters deep. كلكم عارفينها طبعا. True or false? Are you sure? Yes. Good. It's true. It's true. Okay. Put down your answer in the book. Don't forget. Write the answer in your book. Pause the video and write the answers. The last question here is, yes, ask and answer. Number 1. Why does most of the ocean wildlife live in the sunlit zone? Sunlit zone. ليه يا أولاد يفضلوا sunlit zone? Why does most of the ocean wildlife live in the sunlit? ممتاز. Yes, you are excellent. Sunlit, it means it has a lot of light and it's suitable for life. Yes, so because it's there is sunlight in this area or in this zone. Number 2. Why are some fish in the midnight zone blind? Some fish in the midnight zone is blind. What does it mean blind? Blind يعني أعمى. ليه? Why? Yes, good, because it's dark. It's dark. Number 3. In the deeper zones, where do you think a lot of the food comes from? In the deeper area. Deep هنا يعني عميق. Yes. Where do you think lots of food comes from? طعام بيستخدموه بيجي منين؟ Excellent. From small fish and small creatures. Okay, that's good. Now we learned the question. Let's find out the answers. Okay, let's make sure of our answers. Here are the suggested answers. So number 1, because plants need sunlight to grow and most animals eat plants. Number 2, because there is no light. Number 3, small animals. They eat small animals in the trench zone. Okay, by this we have finished our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until we meet again, Thank you and goodbye.